I will tutorial now the escape tsunami, but you will get the model on like Discord. If I change my mind, you will get it on description only. Let me put it. This is the model right now. I will give it to you. You can get the model now on Discord and description. Wait it to load. Now you're going to delete this. Magdi-delete tayo. So I'm not going to edit this, but follow all the ano sabi mo? Follow last tips. I-follow nyo lang yung mga steps na kailangan. Matagal to, mga ilang minuto. Stop muna natin. Ayan, natapos na. So, i-ungroup mo lang yan. I-ungroup ko lang to. I will ungroup this. Just wait. Guys, my cell phone is been logged, but if you finish ungrouping them, it will look like this. It will look like this, guys. And instruction book. We have instruction on description. So instruction on 6-7.